Hey everyone, this is Dave from Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how to create an entire e-learning course off of a single PDF file, right? So just like this, with a bunch of slides, presenters, all types of voice scripts, information, all created by AI. Produce good videos like this.
Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to
all types of presenters. You can even clone yourself in them, right? So let's get started. So first off, we are assigned to this notification newsletter from OSHA, where we get all types of information from health alerts and all types of health disaster stuff, that information that they want people to train on for OSHA, right? So we got this one, and they usually come in this type of PDF format. So this is a mold during disaster cleanups health alert. So we'll just click on this PDF, and you'll see all this information here, right? So what I'm going to do is download this PDF. And this is what we're going to use as our data source, right, to create our course. So let's just grab this and put this on my desktop. And I'm going to go over to Training Day, and I'm going to say create. And I want to do workplace safety. You could just create like a custom one, but we're going to use workplace safety, right? Our data source is going to be a PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and find my PDF right here. This is the PDF we want to use. I'm going to go ahead and say use this data, and now I can kind of pick a sample of what I want the course to kind of look like, right? So we're just going to go with this right here, and now the AI is going to create a few samples for us that'll get us really far to the point of our desired outcome of our presentation, right, for our course. We're going to select one, and then it's going to create the interactive quiz and all the video scripts and all the slides, right? And then we'll just personalize it a little bit from there, and we should be good to go. Then we could just generate the slides and export it as a SCORM package or PowerPoint presentation or however you want to deliver it, right? So let's see what we get. All right, so we got these. This looks actually pretty good. So we're going to click on this one. And we're just going to customize it a little bit from there. But it looks pretty good to us, right? And if not, you can always go back and create another one. So let's see what we get from here, and then we'll generate our slides. Even if you need to translate it, 30 different languages, you can do that also, and deliver that one too, however your business is working. All right, so here's our course, and we're going to customize it from here, right? So first thing I'm going to do is click on this one, and we're going to try and get a nice uniform style, right? So I'm going to change my presenter to this guy right here, right? Boop. We'll put him right there. I'm going to change this text to mold hazard training course. Yeah, so that'll work fine. I'm going to change this font to this Georgia one. Put it right there, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this style to all slides. So we're going to get a nice uniform look for all our slides. And that should be okay. And of course, you can edit them individually. Maybe you want a different presenter on one side, the other side. Hold on. Yeah, so that looks good for us. We can check out our quiz. Nice multiple choice quiz. This also works with SCORM, just straight out the box. You don't have to do anything else to it. You could translate it in 30 different languages if you need to, right? So if this looks pretty good to us, let's just create another little quiz, right? So let's add a slide. It's going to be a quiz, and we're going to put it right after the second slide. We're going to go ahead and generate some questions, and the questions are going to be based on this second slide, right? So the content of this second slide. We'll click next, and let's just do 5 questions. And now we have like a little knowledge check in between the slides, right? That's what you want. So you can see our questions got generated here, and that's going to be our little knowledge check in between the course, right? So if this looks good for us, we can go ahead and start generating the slides. We'll just start with this one. We'll click yes. This will get generated, take about 10 minutes. You can just keep on generating more and more as you want. And if that looks good, Then we go ahead and export it as a SCORM package when they're all done, right? And like I said, you can translate the entire course, 30 different languages, and the quizzes, right? So I hope you enjoyed that, and I can't wait to see what you build with Train Day and your PDF files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.